Isa na namang branch ng Wilcon Depot ang kilala at mapagkakatiwalaang source ng construction supplies ang binuksan sa tinaguriang The City of Smiles sa Bacolod City. Ito ang kanilang ika-74 na branch. Si Mark De La Rosa sa balitang yan.
Sa mahigit 4 na dekadang pangunguna ng Wilcon Depot pagdating sa home improvements and construction supplies at sa mahigit 2 dekadang pamamayagpag ng Net25 sa pamamahayag, isang matibay na pundasyon ang nabuo para patuloy na makapagbigay serbisyo sa bawat Pilipino.
I want to express my sincere appreciation to our newest media partner, Net25, as we officially solidify our partnership. Because for Wilcon, I guess this is another milestone. We always believe in the power of communication and being partner with Net25. I guess we can achieve our goals of reaching out to more customers.
This collaboration brings together two leaders in respective industries. Net25 is a brand name in media and entertainment, and Wilcon, the Philippines' top home improvement and construction supplies retailer.
Sa suporta ng Net25, layunin nitong mas mapalawak ang pagbibigay impormasyon tungkol sa mga tagumpay na patuloy na naaabot ng Wilcon Depot. Tulad na lang ng pagbibigay muli ng ngiti sa ating mga kababayan sa lugar na tinaguriang The City of Smiles, ang pagbubukas ng kanilang ika-74 na branch sa bansa.
Because this is the second branch in Bacolod area. And we are very grateful because of the reception that Bacolod has given Wilcon through the years, and of course this is also in line with our mission and vision to reaching every Filipino and providing them with quality products and service.
Ang Wilcon Depot ay kilala bilang household name para sa home and construction supply. At ang Net25 naman ay pinagkakatiwalaan bilang family-oriented network sa bansa. At sa kanilang pagtutulungan, siguradong patuloy silang magtatagumpay at maghahatid ng mataas na kalidad ng serbisyo at produkto para sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino.
This is the start of a lasting relationship. I hope that I will continue to build fruitful and lasting relationship as we embark on this partnership with Net25.
Together, we can empower Filipino families to create beautiful, sustainable, and comfortable living spaces using Wilcon's top-notch products and our engaging shows.
Mark De La Rosa, para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.